Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I am in Berlin, and this is the Brandenburg Gate. I think most of the people like very historical place. You have seen in many war movies, and there is some protest also going on. They want to stop producing weapons for the war. I think so, yeah. So it's pretty nice. They're protesting. War is not the only but always the worst option. You can see, like, they're protesting right in front of the Brandenburg Gate, and they're locals. They're not some outside people. That's good. At least they remember the history. So all of this place once used to be under fire. But now, beautiful Brandenburg Gate. Now I'm passing through under the Brandenburg Gate. There's also on the right, I think on the right is the parliament, which was destroyed in 1933. I will go there also. So this is a memorial for the Roma, or what we call Gypsies, people who were killed during 1933 and 45. And now I'm moving towards the what's called parliament. Yeah, this is the same, the Roma people, Roma or Gypsies.
Das erste Mal werden sie umgebracht. Einer durch den Abzug einer Waffe, die auf eine Wand gerichtet ist.
So this is a documentary on how people were killed. This is the parliament. This is it. What is Zuma? So the dome of the parliament is transparent because they think that democracy and everything should be transparent to the people. So you're not like, I'm standing in front of the parliament. You cannot do this in Pakistan. You can go inside also, but there is a ticket for it. You have to buy that ticket. And I don't want to spend the money. So after the Parliament. I am going to the Holocaust Museum. I think there is some musical clock, something, and it is singing, producing music very loudly. So now we are going there to the memorial. And on my left here all are embassies. If you can, no, it's not visible. There's the US embassy, and I think it's all, I think other embassies are, so you're not 100% sure, but I've heard, and I think the flag shows I'm correct. So I think we arrived at the location. As you can see, so this is the place. You can also go inside. So I don't know. These are not real graves, but these are just the, how would they feel inside the walls and stuff like that. So, but same thing happening in the world again. So people forget what happened to them, and then they start doing the same thing to others. So, oops, sorry. So I don't feel anything, but because they're doing the same thing now, no one learns the lesson. Here's a very long walk, so I think I should go back so that I can then check the other place where I have to pee. These are just walls, concrete, pretty solid. Yeah. So, can you guys believe it? I am exactly at the spot where it all ended. Can anyone believe it? Like, these are all the apartments, buildings, and like just 80 years ago, there was a fucking bunker here, and Russian, Germans, Americans, British, they were just. Yeah, so the guy asked me to take the picture, and I did. I think I should also do it. So we arrived at the Berliner Mauer checkpoint Charlie. It's famous. So here's its history written. You guys can read it. Considering whatever history is so yeah, we are currently here. This is how it used to look like. This is also a used. You guys can stop and read it. History. It's in English and German also. I think I have been here in Call of Duty. I think so. You are entering the American sector, carrying weapons of duty forbidden. Avoid traffic. This used to be the checkpoint. Charlie. A beautiful dog. I don't think it's visible. You guys can see over this was the castle. I was just passing from the building inside. This is the real. Oh, it's beautiful. It's lovely. The detailing, it's like amazing. I think this is the best building I've seen in my life. It's really lovely. There's a museum in front. So I was coming from inside this building. It's Humboldt Forum, and that used to be a castle, that building. And Berlin is like very, very, very big city, so it's impossible to film, to make video of every place, everything in 3-4 hours. Still, I visited most of the historical places. There is one place left, which is like the monument for the Russian soldiers, 80,000 that died during the Battle of Berlin But overall, I visited every place, almost like historical place, but other than historical places, there are a lot of other places as well. There are small islands, lakes, but I have to come some other day.